gotten all the curtains down. Took me a while crawling up on those beds up there, and I couldn't get those down yet. It's too hard to get up underneath there. I have to take the whole valance part of it off. I'm going to go in and cut the little strips off. Of course, I've got them put away now, but across the top of them I had little strips sewn on. Now what I'm going to do is sew those strips back onto the tops of these curtains across the thick part, or do I want it, off one of them, I don't know. Anyway, so that I can just hang them right back on the track, but I'm not going to secure them on there because I want to be able to take them down, put them away when I'm traveling, and then put them back up when I'm parked somewhere. I had thought about using the snaps, but this material is so thin. I'm afraid that if I put snaps on them and putting them up and taking them down, that it's going to end up tearing this material. So I'm going to cancel that idea, veto, and just slide them on and off those tracks, and that should be good. And then because this material that I'm going to use for the new curtains is so thin, I'm going to order some, it looks like frosted glass, but it has swirlies and tulips and flowers, and I haven't figured out yet if it's on Amazon, but I haven't figured out yet if it has the color in it that I'm seeing or not. I'll try and get a picture of it and put it in here and let you see it. And I'm not going to put it from the top to the bottom of the window. I'm only going to put it, maybe 6 inches up, and then cut out some of them and put them so that they just kind of go up. Only because I don't want to totally block out my view, but I don't want people walking by to be able to look up into the TrailManor and see me. Not that I'm, this is definitely not where the magic happens, but still. Anyway, so yeah, I got all the curtains down. I haven't decided if I'm taking the valances down or not. I haven't decided, so I left them up so far. And like I said the other day, the painting and all that can wait, but the sewing and stuff I have to get done while I'm here at home. Mostly because I don't have any help getting my sewing machine out. It would be a lot easier if I could just sew it out here. Hi, kitty. It would save me a lot of walking back and forth, measuring, seeing how things look, going back in, making adjustments, coming back out. It'd be a lot easier, but yeah, not going to happen. Besides, I need to get up and get moving. I've noticed that since I've been down with my back, well, let's see, I got back, in September? It's been 8 months that I've not done anything, basically, and I get so tired so fast, so the walking back and forth isn't going to kill me. The pain in my leg might. It's driving me crazy today. I slept last night from about 10 o'clock until 2 o'clock this morning, and I've been up ever since. I don't know what this sleep thing is, but it's getting the better of me, to be honest with you. Still haven't figured out how to get the lift kit for the TrailManor, but I'm still working on that. Anyway, it's getting hot out here. I'm going back in the house. Battery on the camera's going dead anyway. I'll be back later. Bye.